Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss amino acid and peptide bond. So what are amino acids? So amino acids are molecules that have amino group and carboxyl group. So amino acid or play role in the formation of a protein. It means that proteins are formed by the combination of amino acids. So first we will define amino acid. So amino acids are molecules that have amino group at one end and carboxyl group at the other end. For example, this is an amino acid and the name of this amino acid is glycine. So glycine has NH2 group, which is known as amino group at one end. This is amino group at the end of the glycine amino acid. So the glycine amino acid has amino group at one end and carboxyl group, which is COOH. COOH is known as carboxyl group. So this molecule has amino group at one end and carboxyl group at the other end. In this box, this is carboxyl group and this is amino group. That is why this molecule is known as amino acid. It means amino acids are those molecules which have amino group at one end and carboxyl group at the other end. So above the carbon, hydrogen is attached, but in this place it may be R, it may be CH3 or other group. Therefore we represent this H by R in general formula. Why? Because the R may be methyl group or other group or only the H, like in glycine. So this is amino acid. As we know that amino acid combine to form protein. So this time we are to know about the bond between two amino acids. So the bond between amino acid which join two amino acids is known as peptide bond. So peptide bond is the bond that join between two amino acids. For example, this is the general formula of amino acid. For example, this is one amino acid and above the R1 show variable side chain. It may be any group, CH3 or other group. So this is one amino acid and this is another. As these both have amino group and carboxyl group at their ends. Now these both combine with one another. Only the water molecule is removed. The OH is removed from this amino acid molecule and the H is removed from this amino acid molecule. It means that OH is removed from the carboxylic group of one amino acid and hydrogen is removed from the amino group of the other amino acid. These hydrogen combine with OH to form water molecule. It means one water molecule is eliminated and the amino acid combine with another amino acid to form a chain for the protein. This time the nitrogen is directly combined with the carbon. It means the carbon of one amino acid is directly combined with the nitrogen of the other amino acid and the water molecule is removed between these two amino acids and the amino acid is bound to another amino acid for the formation of the protein. As we know that smallest protein contain more than 50 amino acids joined by the peptide bond. So each amino acid bond with another amino acid by the peptide bond. So the peptide bond is C double bond O and C single bond N and N single bond H. So this bond which is in the box is known as peptide bond. It is formed between two amino acids when the water molecule is removed from these both molecule. It means one amino acid remove OH and another remove H. When the H and OH are removed, so the amino acids, so when the H and OH are removed, the amino acid combine to form the protein and the bond is known as peptide bond.